Hey, it's TT Lavish, and today we're doing a review, unboxing, and demo of the Conair Infiniti Pro Spin Airbrush.
So this blow dryer, I honestly picked it up because a friend of mine came over and she had one, a different brand, but she had one and it looked really cool. She was like, yeah, I'm just gonna blow out my hair, curl it up and all this stuff. So I ended up picking up one myself. So you know this is my money. This is about to be the real. I didn't even use products on the hair when I blow dried it because I want y'all to really see how poppin' or not so poppin' this blow dryer is working.
So it says you can customize volume, create shine, utilize the spin function and get smooth, fast results with tangle-free bristles for shine and smooth hair. It's a 5-piece system that uses Tourmaline ceramic technology to reduce frizz, static, and damage, as natural irons create soft, silky, and anti-frizz hair. Alright, let's open her up. So these plastic pieces you're actually supposed to keep as a protective cover so the bristles don't get smushed over time. There's a lock and unlock switch so you can pretty quickly switch out the barrel sizes. The cord is 55 inches or 140 centimeters and the plug is 2-pronged. This dryer has 3 settings, low, high, and cool. I think it's fair to note it obviously doesn't spin in the off position, but it also doesn't spin in the cool setting. However, when you do get it spinning, it will go in both directions. There's definitely a learning curve to using this dryer. I did get the hang of it eventually, however I still feel like it spins way too fast. I don't see the benefit of it spinning this fast other than tangling my hair into huge knots and ripping it out. This is the hair after drying for 60 minutes. At this point I was getting a bit impatient and whipped out a regular blow dryer and a round brush. The hair is smooth and soft, but it's still damp.
So we opened the box, we tried it out. Overall, I want to say 7 out of 10 maybe. It could have been better. The heat, it doesn't get too hot, so you can't really do like a nice, you're not doing a Dominican blowout with this blow dryer, honey. Also doesn't blow really strong air, which I feel like it should, because I could see maybe they didn't want to make it too hot just so that whatever material they use to create the brush, the bristles of the brush, maybe they don't want to damage it with the heat. But the blowing, like the actual blowing force, like the pressure, the blow, whatever the pressure of the air coming out of the blow dryer could have been a lot more. I felt like I was playing with a little toy. On the other hand, it does make blow drying your hair a lot easier, especially if you're getting in there. So you could really like blow dry your hair and just be like one-handed. I could be texting rather than like, you know, you get your brush and you like it's already in there. So that I can say is a really helpful. I might use this blow dryer for already dry hair that's just a little bit frizzy or wavy. If you already have straight hair and you want to blow it out to be straighter and you don't feel like getting a flat iron, then I would say this is your friend. Definitely use this. You're not going to get that sleek look that you could get with a real hot blow dryer, but it'll tame the hair so you could do what you want to do with it. Would I say to actually style like that curls blowout, like big, like volumized blowout? No, probably not. Unless you have short hair, you could definitely spin it right through. It'll come right through. But if your hair is a little bit longer, you're not spinning it through your hair. Like you're gonna have a tangled mess. So I do really like this blow dryer. My only thing is I would like for it to get a little bit hotter and blow a little bit more air. I'm not sure if that's to protect the bristles, but if this got just a tad bit hotter, so I could really like get in there and blow out my hair and have it nice and dry or silk pressed, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. It was nice to try out this blow dryer that I have been eyeing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep getting into these beauty tools, tips, and secrets so all of us can stay popping and slay. I hope you guys enjoyed. So I'm gonna buy them for you so you don't have to. That's not good. Will help you get that. It's like that first blowout. It's like a blow dry to help you. I don't know. Where'd it go?